Hello class, my name is Bill Burton and I'm going to be sharing the function verified password function. The verified password function matches the password to the hash. So here's the code for the password verify function. You have the password that is an input from the user, and then this password hash is coming from the database. And then you have a Boolean true false function there for the return value for the password. So again, it verifies the password. Here's a special note. It says, note that the password hash returns the algorithm, cost, and salt as part of the return hash. Therefore, all information that is needed to verify the hash is included in it. This allows the verify function to verify the hash without needing separate storage for the salt and algorithm information. Also, too, within the PHP function, the password verify function, it's safe against timing attacks. I really don't know what timing attacks are. I read just a teeny bit about them, and it's a hacker attack. But anyhow, it's safe against timing attacks. Here are the parameters again. You got the user's password and the hash that's created. Now, you should actually listen to Kirsten's video presentation. She did an excellent job on it, talking about password hashes and all the different components of a password hash. So the password verify and the password hash go hand in hand. You use both those functions at the same time. Yeah, it returns a value, true or false. Here's an example. Here's the password hash. And then here is the user's password. And then it's going to compare the hash that's to that. So let's take a look at that real quick. I've got this little code set up. So we run this and it comes back, password is valid. And then change this. So let's drop a letter of the Rasmus Leerdorf password here. So we dropped a character, run this again, then it does not match the hash. So I got my spelling right now for my password and the hash that is stored in the database. It verifies it and it says the password is valid. So that is password verify function. Again, it's a very simple coding that we need to do to verify a password. This individual right here wrote 1 year ago, this is the most secure way to keep your password safe in PHP 7. Even when your database has been hacked, it will be almost impossible to retrieve your password. So when a user wants to sign up, get input from the user, which is the user's password, hash the password, store the hashed password in the database. So here is the hashing code. And then when the user wants to sign in, get the input from the user, which is the user's password, fetch the hashed password from the database, compare the user's input and the hashed password. So here's the password verify function. And if everything goes right, you get let in. If not, it returns a value that the password is wrong and you need to redo your password. So that's password verify in a nutshell. It's very simple, very easy coding for you. The hardest part is probably retrieving the hash from the database and storing the hash in the database as well, and then retrieving that information. So again, learn the password hash and learn the password verify because they go hand in hand. And that's it. Thank you very much.